Alright, what is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because we're going to be talking about fixing rub on your Tacoma. Now, I'll be honest, we're not talking about fixing tire rub per se, but we are fixing rub that happens on the interior of your truck. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch one of my previous videos and I explain and talk all about it. Now, it seems like this is actually pretty common. I actually had a few other people talk about how they had this same exact issue, and well, I felt the need to try and fix this said issue. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. So if you're interested, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription, because boys, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and your boy's at like 918 right now. So I'm really excited. 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So like I said in my previous videos, I actually found this rub that didn't occur right away with my truck. It kind of occurred later down the road. I don't know if this happens to only the trucks with power seating, so if you have a truck with power seating, I would definitely check this, but if you don't, I would also check it, because I did have someone in a 2019 Tacoma tell me that it did rub and it was making this noise. Now, I keep mentioning the rub. What am I speaking about? Listen to this. I wish I was making this up, but I'm not. This is a serious thing, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. I did my research, didn't find anything, but I did find something on Amazon. Trusty old Amazon. Amazon is the way to go with everything. So I went on Amazon and I was just scrolling. I had given up on finding a solution. I'll be honest, I'm not gonna try to seem heroic, but I saw this. And what's funny is it was being advertised to me like a month ago while I was already having the rub, and I was like, why would I ever get that? This is just dumb. I don't want it. Now, it will be linked in the description, and yes, if you buy anything from my links, I do make a commission. It helps out the channel and it helps me out, so if you do decide to purchase this, I'd greatly appreciate it. Comes in a nice bag. It's actually reusable, so I'm gonna keep that. Comes with instructions. I think I got it. I never really liked getting things like this for my car. I just felt like it was very 2000-y. But in this case, I guess I have to. I mean, I am not a fan of having that noise every time I am trying to move my seat. I'm sorry I did that to you. I'm sorry. I am sorry, okay? I'm sorry. But if I have to, I mean, come on. All right, so I moved the camera so that way you guys can see this a little bit better. We're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy on there, see if it still rubs. If not, yay. But let's go ahead and get this started. So seems pretty self-explanatory. Just put this over here. I don't think I'm gonna need the instructions. I am stuck in the back of my own truck right now. This is so embarrassing. This is actually so embarrassing. I'm glad I went through this so that you didn't have to. That was embarrassing. If you do get this, you don't need to take it to a mechanic shop, which I seriously thought I had to at one point. Get your two front seats, put them all the way back, put the seat in the most reclined position you can. Then you should be pretty good to go. So let's get in to see the moment of truth. Will my seat still rub? Oh snap! There's no more rubbing. Yes! I don't just recommend any product, okay? I don't just find anything on Amazon and try to sell you it. This is a game changer for me, okay? I get in the truck and like when I sit down, I put my elbow down. I don't know why. Maybe that's a lousy way of getting in the truck. Maybe I'm lazy. So what? Getting in the truck is so much more pleasant and not having to listen to a squeak every time you drive. If you're in the market, right? I'm not saying go out to spend your money. If you're in the market, this will be in my description. I highly recommend it. When I got here, I was like, I'm probably not even gonna make a video on this. Probably some dumb money that I spent. I recommend this 100%. This is where it's at. Especially if you have that rubbing issue. It's so uncomfortable when you're moving your seat and your passengers look at you. But not anymore. I can move my seat all the way around. There's no rub. Yes. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Guys, I'm trying to get to 1,000 and you can help me out. So with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm outie like an outie. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.